Okay, we jump into pin 2 next. We'll split these up and we'll show in the pair of 14 litters here first. So these are tag 6, tag 7. Tag 6 would be 14-6. Tag 7 would be 14-3. Tag 6 was the first one there that Lawson had on the stick, and kind of a key point to note is tag 6. These are Whams, no intro on the $9,000 purebred York sow we bought from DJ Sanders, I guess a few years ago, that topped the power female sale. Tag 6 has a little black on her nose. Tag 7 is going to be solid white. So if you can manage that color pattern, I think you certainly have a Yorkshire gilt there that's very, very good, that can be jackpotted that color and showing a light cross division there at Tulsa if you're looking for something along those lines. And then, like we said, tag 7 is going to be solid white. Tag 6, very, very good pig. I don't care what color you're talking about in this set. That one's going to stick out. That one's got big limbs, very, very broad, I think, coming and going. Her blade, her arm, her skull, her ankle are all just very big, very dense. Kind of has that signature Wham look, and that'd be a boar that stands at Lindner's that he owns with Zach and Glenn Blunt. Good friends of mine. I kind of knew about that boar throughout the process of him growing up. Zach sent me a lot of videos of him as they were trying to purchase him. Always intrigued me a lot. Decided to wait out the first season and kind of let them see what he'd do first, and that boar went ahead and sired the reserve York there at Houston, the 3rd overall, the Bronze Barra overall at OYE, along with a ton of other winners. One of the high-selling gilts at San Antonio that we actually bought was a Wham gilt, solid white one. So we bred him to a couple here. This particular sow is young, but made winners out of Poke the Bear in her first litter. This is her second. We were shooting to make solid white ones, and we made a bunch of them. These will be the first of several 14 litters that are here in the sale. So the black nose one that was there on the stick, like I said, that's tag 6. Her ear notch is 14-6. The other gilt, tag 7. Tag 7 is the solid white one of the pair. Her ear shape is just a little different from notability standpoint as you're looking in between that pair. Just a little bit more of a cupped, curved kind of shape to her ear there. That gilt is really fun to look at, and before we started the preview, we kind of were going through that set, and that one, when she cranks her head up and follows the stick, that one's exactly kind of what I had in my mind when made that mating decision. She's got that no intro sows, rib cage, body spread, and density and function, and we added Wham's look, his upper shape, his pin set to that particular mating, and I love what we got here in the middle. I think this gilt's one that if you want a jackpot, you're going to have a very nice run as a Yorkshire with that one. Very good in terms of her market capabilities. She's got that kind of shape and composition to fit that well, but at the end of the day, she's very high quality for that color, and I think as a light cross at a breeding gilt type setting is going to be just fine as well. Definitely relative to her color and what she'll class as, that's going to be a sell highlight in my opinion. So 6 and 7, pedigree again is Wham, no introduction, Encore. That Encore sow that's the grandma would have been the $9,000 DJ Sanders Yorkshire gilt that topped the power female sale a few years ago that Dad and I bought.